Stats Myths. What you need to know about math and statistics. If you are apprehensive about statistics because you think that you are not good at math, it may help you to know a little more about statistics math and what you can expect from your statistics class. Here are some myths and facts about stats math. Myth number 1. Men are better in math than women. Research has not shown that men have a different math ability compared to women. Perhaps math has historically been seen as a masculine domain, but with more and more women entering the STEM fields, science, technology, engineering, and math, this perception is changing. On the other hand, sometimes when people are unsure of their math skills, they may use this as a convenient excuse. Many women do exceptionally well in the learning of statistics. Statistics are all about math. You will be surprised at how little actual math that we will use. In fact, statistics are more about logic than they are about math. You will need to plug in numbers to formulas, and then you will use math to solve the formulas. But the actual math will all be things that you already know how to do: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, also squaring, which is just multiplication, and square root. And you can use a calculator. You must always know how you got the answer. Many times, you can get an answer without knowing how you got it. This is your intuition at work. If you are consistently correct, then you know how to do the problem. However, if you're consistently getting wrong answers, it's useful to know how you got that wrong answer in order to correct yourself. It is important to always get the answer exactly right. In real life, specific and precise answers are rare. In statistics, we use estimation when applying what we learn to real life. So it is important to know how answers are to be calculated, but as long as you get answers that are very close to mine, you will still get credit, even if they differ slightly. In fact, most of those small errors are caused by rounding errors during your calculation. Statisticians do problems quickly in their heads. Now, speed is the result of experience and practice. The only problems that statisticians do quickly are those that they have done before. Learning new material is difficult and time-consuming, even for statisticians. There is a magic key to doing statistics. There is no magic formula, rule, or guideline to demystify statistics. All you need is a bit of patience, the desire, and the same study skills you use for other subjects. Magic is what people who don't understand science call science. Stats are done by working intensely until the problem is complete. If you're struggling with a problem, it is better to leave it and go on to some other activity. Going away and returning later allows your mind time to assimilate ideas and develop new ones. When you come back to the problem later, you will be able to look at it with new insight and be able to find a solution. And finally, the myth, some people have a math mind and some do not. A math mind implies that people have different kinds of brains. Everyone develops critical thinking skills at a different rate. Mathematicians do not necessarily grasp concepts and ideas effortlessly. We all started with addition facts. Statisticians develop stats ability through dedication and perseverance. They maintain a positive attitude, and they have self-confidence. We are all capable of utilizing these traits if we want to.